Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to build this beautiful, Glassmorphism-inspired product card using only HTML and CSS. It's fully responsive, visually appealing, and perfect for showcasing any product on your website. Let's dive in step by step and bring this clean UI to life. Create a new HTML file. Give it a meaningful title. Here, we're calling it Product Card. Now let's link a few important things. Our external CSS style sheet, the Font Awesome CDN for icons, and the Google Fonts. Next, create your style.css file. As a quick test, add a background color to the body to make sure your styles are working. Link the style sheet. Open with Live Server. And yes, we're good to go. Adding icons and font. Search Font Awesome CDN on Google. Open the first link and grab the CSS link. Paste it inside the tag of your HTML here. Now search Google Fonts. Open the first link. Search Lotto Add Font. Click Get Embed and paste the link too. Don't forget to copy the font family. Let's begin with a universal selector. Add margin, padding, box sizing, font family. This resets everything and sets our font. Now, let's build our card structure. Create a div with the class container. Inside that, a div for product image. We'll use this for the background product image. Next, create a div with the class product data. This will hold the product title, rating, description, pricing, and a button. Inside product data, add an H2 tag with the product name. Then a div with class product review. Add a paragraph for the rating, 4.7, followed by 5-star icons, 4 full stars, and 1 half-star using Font Awesome. Add another paragraph for 120 reviews with a file icon. Next, add a p tag with the class product desk. Here goes your product description. Then create a div with class product bottom. Inside this, a div with class offer. Then a button with class cart btn, labeled Add to Cart with a shopping cart icon. Come back to div with class offer. Add 2 H2 tags for price, 1 original with a discount class, and the new price. H2 is big, let's go for H3. That completes our HTML structure. Next, we'll move on to styling it with CSS and applying a beautiful glassmorphism effect. Starting with the body, let's give it a background image. You can now see the image. Set it to No Repeat Center /cover. The image is only covering part of the screen, so we'll fix that by setting min height to 100% view height. Perfect. We want our container, the product card, to be centered. So use Display Flex, then Justify Content Center and Align Item Center. Add a little padding too. Now, you might think it's still not centered. Wait for it. Let's move on to our container. Set a max width of 420 pixels. Now it sits perfectly in the center. Give it a temporary background color so you can see the content while working. Also set min height, 500 pixel, add padding, and give it a nice border radius. Now remove the solid background. It's time to create the glassmorphism effect. Set the background color to RGBA 255, 255, 255, 0.1. This gives a white tone with transparency. Then add backdrop filter, blur 12 pixel. Nice and frosty. Also add -WebKit backdrop filter for Safari compatibility. Now add a subtle border with 0.2 alpha. Then use a box shadow with RGB set to 0 for black and alpha 0.3 to give it a soft shadow. Container done. We've got our Glassmorphism. Now the product image set, a background image. Height, width, background size, background position, and of course, border radius. Product data, make it a flex container with flex direction : column. Use justify content, space around. Add a margin top 10 pixels. Let's separate it visually with a border top using RGBA for transparency. Add some padding top to create spacing between the line and the title. Product review section. Use display flex. Then justify content space between. Add margin top for spacing and align item center. For the paragraph inside, the one with text and icons, set font size. Use display flex. Center the items. Add gap, 5 pixels, and change the color. Product description. Give margin, 10 pixel 0, a font size, adjust line height, and reduce font weight for a clean look. Bottom section, price plus button. Start by giving a temporary background color to product bottom. Set display, flex, justify content, space between, and align items, center. Let's work on the .offer, price area. Make it flex, add a small gap. Now remove the background color. We don't need it anymore. And center the items vertically. For the discount price, set font weight. Add text decoration, line through, and use a lighter white color for a faded look. Cart button. Add padding, border radius, and now copy the same Glassmorphism styles from container. Just make sure to set color, white for the button text. Hover effect. Paste the same glass styles here too, but change the background color. Make the RGB black, 0, 0, 0, and adjust alpha to 0.4. It's working. Add cursor, pointer, and done. The hover looks awesome. Final check. Right-click, then inspect. And check responsiveness for different devices like laptop, tablet, and mobile. You'll notice this card works great, even without media queries. That's it. Our beautiful Glassmorphism product card is ready. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more.